Now we want to compare. We are going to compare these numbers, lesser, greater, and so on, right? So we can compare these number only when their roots are same and their roots are same. Without same root, we cannot compare. This power of the root should be same. So first of all, we will try to make it same power. So now find out LCM of 4, 3 and 2 is equal to 4, 3 and 2 is equal to, you can do here 4, 3 and 2. You can do here, it is 12. You can also do here 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, right? So LCM of 4, 3 and 2 is 12. So we want to make all the roots in power 12. सबके रूट को हमें 12 बनाना है, right? So you can do here. This is 12 and 3. What you observe here? Power was 3 and I make it 12. Sorry, 4 था, हमने क्या बना दिया 12. 4 से क्या कन्वर्ट कर दिया 12. This becomes disbalance. So how you balance it? Just divide 4 to 12. 4 3 ja 12. Just divide 4. Just divide 12 by 4. You will get 3. So this can be written as 3 power 3. Right? क्या करना हमको? इस 4 को जो LCM लाए हैं वो बना देंगे. इसको कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे? How you can balance it? Just divide this power LCM 12 by before. You will get 4 3 ja 12 and keep it here 3. Now similarly 12. Sir, okay, now let us start again. See this. This power is 3 and we have to make it 12. So it is 2. Making 3 power as a 12. So multiply this 12 by 3. You will get 3 4 ja 12 and put it here 4. Now with this make it 12 and 5. Here is 2. 12 divided by this 2. You will get 6. Right? सबके पावर को हमने क्या बनाया 12 बनाया. तीनों नंबर्स को हमने 12 रूट कर दिया. देन हाउ टू बैलेंस इट? पहले जो रूट था उससे 12 को डिवाइड किया. दिस विल गिव यू 3 power 3, राइट? बिकॉज 4 3 जा 12, 3 4 जा 12, so we will write here 4. 2 6 ja 12, so we will write here 6. You can see this third root m a power n can be written as a power m upon n. When you write it, see here, taking one example, will you get back? In this way, you can write it a power 12 upon 3. That is a power 4. Sorry. N upon m. This will give you 3 upon 12. A power n upon m. This m will be 1 upon m. So 3 upon 12 and 3 upon 12 will give you 1 upon 4. This can be written as 3 power 4. See here, I have taken an example here. A power n and power of root is m. This can be written as a power m n by m. Similarly, you will perform this and you get this back. Same as we do. Now express this using this power. We get 3 power 3 means 20. and 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. Now this will be 2 power 4 means 16. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Now 12 is 15, 6, 25. You can do this 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So you will get 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625 into 5 5 ja 25. 25 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 2 5 ja 30, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. You can add it here 5 2 6 5 1. So this is 1 5 6 2 5. Now put it in ascending order. Ascending order. In ascending order, keeping in this in ascending order, you will get first of all lesser. Lesser is this, then this, then this. Right? Whenever root is same, you can compare the numbers only in the root and keep it in ascending order of their magnitude 16, then 27, then you can write it also like this. This is greater than this is the same. Don't write, only write like this. So now convert this in its original form. This is for only comparison. Now convert in the original form. This 12 root 16 comes from, now come back, 2. This 27 is comes from this, and 5 is comes from this. Is our ascending order of the question of their magnitude. Now let us take one homework for according to this. Arrange cube root 5, square root 6, 3 and 4 root 7 in ascending order of their magnitude. It is homework based on this example. Now complete it, and next question is simplify simplify 6 upon 2 root 3 minus root 6 plus root 6 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 4 root 3 upon root 6 minus root 2. Now you have to simplify it. 6 upon 2 root 3 minus root 6 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 4 root 3 upon root 6 minus root 2. So it contains 3 different terms. So we will try to solve out each term separately but writing same order. Now first of all, as we done in previous classes, this should be multiplied और this should be rationalized. डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा इसका? रेशनलाइज होगा। इसी तरह से इसमें भी, इसमें भी, इसमें भी, तीनों टर्म्स में हम डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज करेंगे। इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस वी हैव स्टडीड ऑलरेडी दैट हाउ वी रेशनलाइज। तो वी विल रेशनलाइज इट बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 2√3 प्लस √6. Just only change the sign into plus. Just only change the sign into plus. We'll get √3 plus √2 and so on. So this becomes 6 upon 2√3 minus √6 and 2√3 plus √6 and 2√3 plus √6. Here √6 upon √3 minus √2, √3 plus √2, √3 plus √2, 4 minus here 4√3 upon √6 minus √2, √6 minus plus √2, √6 plus √2. Right? In this case, just we multiply its other factor to rationalize it, taking here sign change, minus plus, right? This is called rationalizing factor. We multiply all by rationalizing factor. Now, one thing here, don't open this bracket. इस ब्रैकेट को आप नहीं खोलेंगे, इसलिए नहीं खोलेंगे कि नहीं खोलने से हमको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा, खोल देंगे तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगी। तो अच्छा ये है, केयर ये करना है कि इसको हम नहीं खोलेंगे। दिस कैन बी रिटन एज इट इज एंड मल्टीप्लाइड हियर a minus b and a plus b gets a square minus b square. Here write that is a square minus b square. Here write it as it is a square minus b square. Now you find that numerator will be same. This is 2√3 whole square, as we done in the last class also. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 3, that is 12, minus √6 square is 6, plus √6, √3 plus √2, and this is 3 minus 2. √3 square is 3, √2 square is 2. In this √6 square is 6 minus √2 square is 2. Now perform this denominator only. Don't do anything in numerator. Upon 6 plus 1 minus 4. Why I am saying that don't open this bracket? ब्रैकेट नहीं खोले हमने तो हमको एक फायदा क्या मिलेगा? This to be cancelled. ब्रैकेट खोल देते इसी में मिक्सअप हो जाता तो हमको एलसीएम लेना पड़ता, आएगा नो प्रॉब्लम, तो काम बढ़ जाएगा. So this 6 cancelled by 6, this 4 cancelled by 4, denominator 1 is no matter. So now we can open the bracket. 2√3 plus √6 plus √6 into √3. √6 multiply in √3 gets √6 3 ja 18 plus 6 2 ja 12. As we know that if there is same root we can multiply it. Minus √3 into 6 √18. 6 3 ja 18 minus plus gets minus √3 into √2 gets 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Now you can consider here plus root 18 minus root 18 plus root 6 minus root 6. Right? Now this can be written as 2 root 3 plus root 12 plus root 12 can be further simplified plus root 12 can be factorized in the form of 2 into 2 into 3. This pair can be written as 2 root 3. Right? So this can be written as 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay? 2 root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 and 2. This can be written as 4 root 3. Simple way में 2 root 3 यहाँ है, 2 root 3 यहाँ है, both will be 4 root 3. Now take an homework on the basis of this. Okay, now let us take one homework. Simplify three root 2 upon root 6 minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 upon root 6 plus 2 minus 4 root 3 root 6 minus root 2. 3 root 2 upon root 6 minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 upon root 6 plus 2 minus 4 root 3 upon root 6 minus root 2. Now you should complete this homework. Only 2 questions in homework. All the students of Ikra Public School belonging to Ikra School. Now go on comment and write your name and section also and get a feedback. Okay, thank you.